Hello guys, this is Salim on behalf of Life Medics. Now I'm going to show you to use the ERP system in your server PC and also share with the LAN or Wi-Fi in your area. So let's search the Chrome browser like this. This is Chrome. So I type localhost and ERP, but I said out the server PC as like he health entrepreneurs dot erp dot asm for healthy medicine, and another one is Fonkoze for Fonkoze. So if you will hit this URL, the system will run as like this one. So in my PC there is a local host, or I have the IP address. So I'm going to show you how to use a setup static IT and to use from another computer this system. So let's try to figure out the IP address. Here is the internet access icon in the right bottom corner. It will be either LAN or Wi-Fi. So right mouse on the icon and open network and sharing center. Here is the internet access tab connection. So click on the blue color and you'll see the pop-up screen with the connectivity information, and there is the details button to view the IP address, subnet and others. So let's take a screenshot on that. Just press the print screen from your keyboard and open the paint likes paint. It's the default program already set up by Windows. To and file, sorry, just click on the paste. Here is the screenshot that I have taken. So let's crop this image for look shorter. Yes, click, select, click on down, crop and save it as desktop, like the IP address, and close the paint, close this one also, and let's back to the IP address again that we have taken. Take a screenshot for the IP address, the IPv4 address 10.100 and 103. This is my latest IP address for my local PC. Your IP address will be like this, like this 192.168.0.101 or 1 or something else. This will be yours one, and my one is 10. This for my local PC. It's very latest IP for local PC, but your will be all the time the common, very common local IP is 192.168.0 and 1 or more, like 3 digits. It will be like 190, 101 or 100, whatever. So I'm going to save this IP into my IPv4 channel for static, so that I can access through other PC or laptop via LAN or Wi-Fi in this IP. So let's right click on the network icon and open it, Wi-Fi and wireless properties, details, and here's the properties. Click the properties. Here is the IPv4 or IPv6. We will not use IPv6, we'll use IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4. Click the property, it's blank, it's totally blank, because its default setting is obtain an IP address automatically. That's why I got 103 like 10, 100, 100 and 103, but we can set it by using this screenshot. So let's keep beside the form and the screenshot. Okay, IP address will be, let's say, 10, but your will be 192. Your ones will be equal to 192.168.0, and then 101, 101 or 11 or 10. But please do not 1. Do not use 1, because we'll use this 1 for default gateway. This will be the 1. Like, see the screenshot. IPv4 default gateway 10, 100, 100 and 1. So please do not use the 1. Let's use 11, and subnet mask is 255, like this one, 255, 255, and last one is O. And gateway is 192.168.0 and then 1 and 1. Okay, a preferred DSL number. Okay, yeah, use this following DSL number. Leave it, just leave it. We don't need it because we need it will be affected after with real IP or main setting server. So we don't have the DNS server. It's automatically set the local feature. Windows the operating system will handle it. So just click on that. So let's take a look. The IPv4 address for my local PC is 10, 100, 100 and 103, but I can use this like 10, 10, 100, 100, 100 and 103, but I can use this. It's static IP for my PC. I can handle it by myself. So it's very easy and I can define it from myself. Okay, let's click the OK button. But your PC server PC will be same exactly as here, as well as this one. So don't worry about the screenshot, just follow the IP address and set this way. If you don't look this one, if you have this, that will be okay. It's great, fine. So click OK, and it will be warning with multiple gateway. It's okay, and if it will pop it will pop up another screen for public or home for the network setup, mm, like change it. You can change this one 11 11 11, sorry, 111, and okay, or you can keep this 11. Click OK. Okay, so close it. So I already set up the static IP in my local PC. So let's open the browser, and I will type from another PC like this way, 192.168.0.1/ERP. Hold on. Type 192.168.0.11/ERP. So it's running. So this will be the IP address to access this software from another computer using LAN or Wi-Fi. It's connected. Let's check the IP address again. Right click the network icon, open it. There's the internet connection information. Click on that, and the details. Here's the IP address that I already set up as static. It's my one. I set it by myself. It's 192.168.0 and 11. So I can access from any other PC. Let's open another browser, for example the another PC. So this one is another PC. Just think this the another PC, I'm going to access your system ERP from the server PC. So type it 192.168.0.11/ERP. So okay, so have a look. The system is running as exactly as we have in the server PC. So we can access our P system, our ERP system through anywhere using LAN or Wi-Fi. Don't worry about that. And also my local PC, the localhost/ERP, is also running. Your PC will be like for server PC HE, ERM, HM. This will be for this one for Haiti medicine as well. So you can type this browser in the server PC, which is preferred for Haiti medicine, or you can type localhost/ERP. Both are same. This is the virtual address and this is the local address, and you can access from another computer like this way, ERP. So our IP will be static IP will be 192.168.0.11/ERP. In our area or in your area, this will be the global IP for the server. So you can access from any laptop, desktop, or any other device. Just connect the Wi-Fi or LAN and just hit the URL from your browser. The ERP system will run. Okay, I think you got it, and please take a screenshot before setting, because it will help you to have to the here is the DNS server. So you can also set this one if you want, or you can leave it for default. So let's take a look again. We'll use this screenshot, so minimize all the browser and the notepad. So here is the screenshot. I just keep it in the left side. So I will I will open the network again. So here is my network information, and the no network access connection is the Wi-Fi. So I am connected my PC with Wi-Fi from router. So let's take a look at the details. So here is some missing, so you don't need to worry about that. But if you want to set up this, so go to the properties again, as we did earlier. IPv4 Internet Protocol version 4, just select it and click on the property, and we have set up the local IP address, static IP address and subnet mask as we have in the screenshot, like IP address this one, or IPv4 subnet mask Sato, default gateway is Ato, D as CP server is Ato and Ato. So I can use it, that is 10, but your one will be like this 192.168.0 and 1. So you can keep it for both, or the second 192.168.0 and 1. And if you have a internet connection, then you have to set this IP, but you will get the DNS address will be different. For example, Let's select obtain IP automatically and obtain DNS server automatically. So refresh this one, and I'm going to access my router for internet, like this one. My IP address is 10.11. This one, this is my router access that I'm using the TP-Link router, Wi-Fi router. Here is the password, username and password. So I have this. Did you see? Here is the DNSN server 8888.4221. Default gateway is this, and IP address is, so subnet mask is 248. So if you have this, you can use this into your IPv4 system. Like take a screenshot for this one, this MAC address for my laptop. Every device has a unique MAC address. So this one for my Wi-Fi MAC address, and the IP address is its real IP, which is connected directly via ISP company, and my static IP is blank. I can set the static IP as I did earlier, and subnet mask will be this one, and default gateway will be this, and the DNS server will be for first one equal to 888 and 4221. Let's take a look the network icon again. So click the internet and the details working locally, and click the properties. There will be also IPv4 again. So I'm going to set as this one for myself, 10, sorry, 10, 100, 100 and 103. So 255, 255, 255 and 0. So gateway will be 10, 100, 100 and 1. Let's select the preferred DNS server. 100, 101. Okay, yes, and yes. Okay, close this one. Open the browser. 10 to 100.103/ERP. So it's running. So any kind of IP, local or static IP, we can change it, we can select it, and it will be run. It's working also through the internet, though I didn't put the DNS second one. Like check DNS server second one, I just keep it simple. Preferred DNS is as my gateway. We will be internet or connection will be like this IP for my local PC, but my real IP is different. Let's take a look at the real IP. So log into this router. So here is the WLAN, wireless static. So here is the IP address of this is my real IP that is connected into my router. So we will not use this one. We will use like this way. So I'm going to take this screenshot for you. So print screen, you print this, paint and paste it, and then crop this one as you need. Crop and save it. That is static IP. Okay, close this. All close on any screenshot. So I this one, it will be IP. So At the bottom, I'm going to show you two images screenshot. That this one, the latest one that I have set static IP through myself, and the previous one is this. So definitely we will get the help from this one, and we will set like this one. If your one is 192.168.0 and 1, you can set it as yourself. Just these screenshots are sample for you. I'll send you an email. Okay, thank you guys.